with the finger strokes on the screen, a slight light appears to exist. So let's learn a different technique to repair it now. Its panel number is EZP2023WX2-270. It has 4 source scopes 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's get started now. The panel's power supply is 12 volts. So now let's measure the VOP voltage. VOP or VGL 7.94 volts, it's okay. Then here the VGH voltage is 26.42 volts, which is also fine. GREF or gamma reference voltage 16.26 volts, which is taken from AVDD. Moreover, here the VCOM voltage is also okay, 7.78 volts. So we understand that the panel's power supplies are all correct. Now let's come to the point. This is the T-con IC or timing controller IC. This IC controls the on and off timing of each subpixel and the brightness of the display's pixels. It is the T-con EEP ROM IC. Its complete form is electrically erasable, programmable read-only memory. What are the functions of this EEP ROM IC? Its function is to store data on display resolution, geometry, mirror, color balance, brightness, contrast and all display settings. Its pin 5 is for SDA or data signal and pin 6 is for SCL or clock pulse. To learn the functions of SDA and SCL, you can visit ornetpixels.com. There is detailed information here. The link is in the video description. Okay, now look carefully. From pin 6 of the EEP ROM IC, SCL is connected to pin 63 of the T-con IC, and from its pin 5, SDA is connected to pin 62 of the T-con IC. Through these two connections, data and clock pulses are exchanged. So, according to the EEP ROM IC's role, it is essential to measure its voltages. SDA 3.25 volts, it's okay. SCL 3.25 volts, it's okay too. So, we understand that the EEP ROM circuit has no bias voltage problem. In this situation, we can assume that the EEP ROM data of the IC has been deleted or corrupted. Almost all memory ICs can be programmed with the EZP2023 plus high-speed programmer. It is available in online market. The link is in the video description. So let's open the IC for easy programming. I am installing the IC on the PCB, but you can use this socket in the EZP2023 plus programmer. The IC needs to be soldered to the PCB and installed in the zip socket. Then lock the socket and connect the programmer to the computer using USB cable. Then open the software. Then you can watch the programming process in this video. The link is in the video description. Okay, after EEP ROM programming, let's reinstall the IC on the TV's T-con circuit. Dear friends, subscribe to the channel and press the bell button to get new videos. Like, comment, share please. Thank you so much.